In the last couple of months, you've probably heard about YouTube automation. I run multiple faceless YouTube channels that earn me over $15,000 every month from only ad revenue, allowing me to turn creativity and strategy into consistent income streams, all without ever appearing on camera. After watching this video, you'll have everything you need to make your first $10,000 a month on YouTube. This hidden gem of a faceless YouTube channel has earned over $10,000 by posting motivational and philosophical videos. What's even more amazing, the channel was launched only 6 months ago and its most popular video has already skyrocketed to over 1 million views. This success story is nothing short of incredible. Don't miss out on how it all came together. In this video, I show you how you can launch your own faceless YouTube channel without hiring a single employee. I'll show you how to automate the process using powerful AI tools. Check out this clip I created in just 10 minutes to prove it. It's even better than the video this channel uploaded. Don't miss out on this game-changing strategy. Early in my monastic life, I faced many distractions, external noise, personal doubts, and even the allure of worldly success. One day, while reflecting in solitude, I encountered a wise old tree in our monastery grounds. Its branches were vast and its leaves vibrant. Creating a channel involves 7 key steps, and I will walk you through each one. But stick around until the end because I'll share a pro tip I've picked up from running multiple faceless YouTube channels, something that's often sold for thousands of dollars in courses. I'm giving it to you for free. Pay close attention to each steps and make sure to implement them correctly to maximize your success. Step 1. Creating channel. Head over to YouTube and click on your profile. Then click on Switch Account and view all channels. Click on Create a Channel. For creating a channel name, I recommend you to use ChatGPT here. Just type this prompt to suggest a good name for our channel according to our niche. I'm asking for a motivational and philosophical niche. Pick one you like and paste it into YouTube and click on the Create button. Then back to ChatGPT and type another prompt to create a channel description. Copy this text and paste it here. For a profile picture, you can either design one yourself in Canva or you can use ChatGPT for this too. We need good character for our profile picture, so we asked ChatGPT to give us different characters list to fit in this philosophical niche. Now tell it which one you choose and ask it to give you an image prompt to generate an image in Leonardo AI. Now copy this image prompt and head over to Leonardo AI. This is the best text-to-image AI software and it has all the features we need. Click on Image Generation. Paste the prompt. Change the number of images to 4. Set the ratio 800 by 800. Press Generate and pick one you like. Upscale the image and download it. Now come over to YouTube and click on Upload. Select Image and click on Publish. Now we are going to Step 2, Scripting. This is the most important part of the entire video. If you have a bad script, your video won't get any views. So now we need an idea to make a script for the idea. I would recommend starting by relying on proven concepts, meaning that you take inspiration from other videos on YouTube that perform well. For this example, I'll go with the same idea as the reference video with 1.1 million views, which is how you can achieve anything. To generate the script, we use ChatGPT. So just go ahead and open a new chat. I've created perfect prompts that will give you a script. As you can see, it's pretty long, so I'll give you a Google Docs link in the description so you can get all the prompts that I've used in this video. Now what you need to do is when you create your video, change this part here and insert your topic idea for the video, and the script will be written according to that idea. Now let's just send a prompt. As you can see, it generates the entire script with a conversational tone that makes the audience feel like they're having a direct conversation with the monk himself. Keep in mind, when creating a video, you must watch a competitor's channel to see how long videos give better results. In this niche, 3 to 4 minutes of video perform well. So we will not make 10 to 15 minutes long videos. Instead, make it short, under 5 minutes. Our script is ready. It's time for step 3, creating the voiceover. For creating a voice, come to 11 Labs. It has perfect tone and sound. Just sign up for a free account and come to this page. Simply copy your script one paragraph and paste it here. This voice is perfect for our video. The thing always happens that you really believe in, and the belief in a thing makes it happen. Click on Generate Speech and it will start generating the voiceover. Hello dear friends, today I want to share with you a powerful secret to achieving anything you set your heart on. Perfect. Here is a pro tip. When you create an AI voiceover, make sure to generate each paragraph with a separate voice. Otherwise you make the entire voice in one go. It will get less expressive. So copy and paste all the paragraphs one by one and download them. After downloading, don't forget to give numbers to the audio files so it becomes easier for us to edit in software. Our script and voice are done. Now we are going to step 4 to generate images. Go back to ChatGPT and here simply paste this prompt. It gives you image prompts so that you can create the same image as that scene. Now we have our visual prompts. Next, go to Leonardo AI. Click on Image Creation before you paste the prompt to make sure to change the dimensions 16 by 9. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy this one image prompt. Paste this prompt here and just click on Generate. Select the one you like and upscale it for better quality. And download it now. Do this with all prompts. Copy from ChatGPT, paste it here, and download them all. Alright, we've covered some exciting ground so far, but trust me, the best is yet to come. Hold on tight because I'm about to elevate this to the next level. We will breathe life into these pictures and supercharge our video with a powerful free animation tool. Get ready to see your content like never before. But before we create animation, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you always catch my new video. Now back to the topic. So now open any one of the images in the Paint app and simply pull it down to increase the size and save it. Some of you might be wondering why I'm doing this, but trust me, just hang tight for a moment and you'll be amazed. Today I'm going to reveal a secret trick that will blow your mind. Now go to Pixverse.ai, create a free account and head over to this page. Click on the image to video and upload your image and set the duration to 10 seconds. Click on Create button and we get our animated video in just a few minutes. And the best thing is the watermark will appear at the bottom so we can remove it during editing. After creating the video, don't forget to upscale it so we get the highest quality. Now do this with all the images and download them all. Believe me guys, people spend a lot of money to learn what I've just shared with you for free today. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button now and join my private Telegram group, link in the description. So now we have our voice and animated videos. The last thing we need is the background music. For background music, go to pixabay.com and search documentary background music. It gives you copyright-free music, or you can also ask ChatGPT for background music. You can use whatever you like according to your needs. Now it's time to put everything together. Now we move to the next step, editing. I like CapCut. You can use any other editing software you like. Now create a new project and import all voiceovers. Drag into the timeline. Put background music here and make the length of the background music as long as the voiceover. Now select all voiceover files. Set their volume to 5 and set the volume of background music to -15. Now import video files and increase all video scales. I will fast forward a few steps so the video doesn't become too long. Now this voice is longer than our video, so we will make some videos a little longer which will fit with the voice. I am setting the video according to this voice. You have to set it according to your voice which fits in it properly. I am repeating this clip. Copy and paste it here. We need to reverse the second clip so it doesn't seem like it is a repeat and make a compound clip. There's still a little bit left, so I'll make this clip longer and I make it as long as the voice. Now add transitions between the clips. Go to the transitions and click on overlays. Now add this transition called mix and drag it between these two clips and click on apply to all. It's applied to all clips. Perfect. Now if you want to do something extra in your video, you can apply effects or filters to it. There are a lot of effects here. I like this effect. You can choose whatever you like. Drag your effect into the timeline. Drag it to the end of your video. So this is visible in our whole video. Now we generate captions. Go to text and click on auto captions. In just a few seconds captions will generate it. You can choose different types of templates. Here I will go with this template, adjust captions. Now our video is ready to export. Click on Export, change resolution to 1080p and set the frame rate to 60 fps. Press Export. Wait a few minutes and our video is ready to upload. But before we upload the video, here is a pro tip that no one will tell you. We will name the file of our video as per the title of our video. Now you will think, what difference does this thing make? A big creator does this before uploading his video, and this gives more ranking to our video in search. I will also put the link to my Instagram ID in the description. If you need any kind of help you can ask me, and if you want me to create a video for you, mention this video and you'll receive a huge discount only available to the first 10 people. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Now we move to the next step, creating a thumbnail. So head over to Canva, click on Create Design and search for YouTube Thumbnail. Choose an image that you like and upload it to Canva. Now I'm using our video title and thumbnail and keep it simple and clean. The channel we are modeling also uses a simple text thumbnail and is performing well. Click on text and add heading. Paste title and change the fonts and also change color. Adjust size. This looks good. Add this effect to text. Set intensity to 70. I'm changing the color of some words here so it will look more eye-catching. And lastly, add a black shadow effect so your text will be more visible in the thumbnail. Perfect, our thumbnail is ready. Download it and get ready to upload the video. Head over to YouTube Studio and click on Upload Videos. Select the video file. Now copy the video description from ChatGPT and paste it here. Upload the thumbnail here. Click on Not Made for Kids option. Now we need tags, so simply go to rapidtags.io and paste our video title here. We get all the best tags for our videos. Copy these tags and paste them here. All our work is done. Just click on Publish. Boom, our video is live. But wait, the video is not over yet. As I said at the end of the video, I will share a secret pro tip with you guys. Bonus part. How to monetize content. The first method is YouTube monetization program. Most people think that this is the only option to earn money, but I know from my experience, we can earn more money from affiliate commissions than YouTube ad revenue. Simply go to ClickBank and you will find many digital and physical products in this niche that you can promote on your channel. If we see the self-help category, all these products are related to our niche, so we can sell them on our channel. If you promote this product, you can get $44 commission in just one sale. In this way, you can very easily earn $10,000 a month. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you love this video. If you found this video valuable, then don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. See you in the next video.